In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the progress bar in Monday.com. We'll walk through this together from inside a sample board, so you can follow along in your own account. Start by opening the board where you want to track progress. This might be a project board, a task list, or anything where you move items through different stages like working on it or done. Once your board is open, look toward the top of your columns where you see the plus icon or the option to add a new column. Click on that area to open the column options, then choose the option that lets you browse more column types. This is usually labeled More Columns or something similar. It opens a panel with all the different column types you can add to your board. In the search bar of that panel, start typing Progress. As you type, you'll see a column type appear that shows a visual bar filling up as work is completed. That's the progress bar column we want to add. Click on it, then click Add to Board. You should now see a new column added to your board with empty progress bars for each item. Next, we need to tell Monday.com how to calculate that progress. Typically, the progress bar is based on your status column, where you might have labels like working on it, stuck, or done. Click on one of your status cells, for example, where it currently says working on it. This opens the list of all available labels. Now click the group title or the settings for that progress column, depending on what you see, and look for the configuration where you can map statuses to progress values. The idea is simple. Each status represents a percentage of completion. For instance, you might map working on it to partial progress, stuck to no progress, and done to full progress. Click on working on it to include it as part of your progress. Then select Stuck and confirm how you want it to affect the bar, usually counting it as not completed. Finally, click on Done and set that as 100% completion. Once those are set, your progress bar column will automatically update as you change items from working on it or stuck to done. Every time you update a status, watch the bar adjust so you get an instant visual snapshot of how far along your work really is.